for me chel bibiara samre o hwe me na o tie me wadaroma onsa kansa video ya share mani nru Kennedy Japan honorable Asoye. In fact, honorable Kennedy Japan, you have to come out to apologize to all the IGWC members all over the world. Yes, you have to come out and apologize to each and every one in IGWC all over the world. For a whole honorable member like you, the caliber as you are, to come out to insult, giving an insult to each and every member of Angel Obinim's church. Why? In fact, I'm very, very disappointed in you. I'm very, very disappointed in you. I don't even know what word I should use to qualify that thing that you just did on your radio. Ade and how? Honorable Kennedy Japan, and how? Baby, I feel the audio drew no. Ya papa ya Angel Obinim no 2 years full. Osebema ne ba bia mfa ne ho beje wo ne na asemu. Obia ye din. Na afedia wo de kwa. Wasan. Etimi adu extend say who di ne church members nyina tem adai wo se ejimifo anekọ na asori ejimifo anyway ejimifo na bi ne me enu timi sususu me ba be yi me ho anu am won se yenye ejimifo na egu asori nim. Yes, yenye ejimifo na egu asori nim. Sa ejimifo na wo refer no emu bi ne me ana me no sususu me ye MPP member. Ye party na wo eno hunti ama dibrese wo ye honorable wo man ni mu no. Yes, ye de ma adwene ye yusu ma adwene ye MPP party no. E ka ma adwene ka adwene a ye keka bo mu a etimi de MPP e betena akonya ne so no. Yes, hwe benimu ye me di de kwabena o kire. I was a former party chairman, polling station chairman ewo Obuasi New Estate Housing Corporation. Go and ask. Opa ko Obuasi. Ne kokokohwe ko party office. Sani eye secretary ewo ho. Kokobusa Sani say Housing Corporation. Why na eye chairman wo ho. Me yan to me so aba. It was unopposed because of my gene ni minyansa ne ma ho brase. Entina former president Kofo edeme de sa position ne maame ti ma gene ka omo de MPP ekosoro ne ho ti se wo frɛ sɛ obi a odi Angel Obinim machi nyina ejimifo ne kɔ na asɔre a ene na kɛ sɛ wo didi MPP fo nyina so atem honorable Kennedy Japan wo didi o refer to say MPP fo nyina so ye ejimifo ana wo bɛgye atum saa because yes ya numbi no ewo Angel Obinim echechinim. Go and ask your colleagues. Yes, Stephen Amwa. Ni nickname Yestika. Currently, MPP ba power 2016. Kobusa Steka, Maslock's CEO. The CEO, currently CEO of Maslock. Yestika, mu party members will be any say a Steka, Stephen Amwa. Honorable. Kobusa no. Omo 2016 omo fight ye omo ginaye ginaye ma MPP tini ba power. Kokobusa CEO of Komfanoche Dr. Oheneba Danso pa ekua nanado ensa hyase ema yete ye Ashanti region yetu ni di EIL economically independent literates with a member of 60 and they meeting every Sunday. Rexima Hotel. Steka na ne da no. Out of nipa 60 na yete ye enye nipa hunu akeko empenfo kuku danfo a wa Ashanti region ha. Kuku danfo a na wa Ashanti region ha. Chama untumi mu nyina nsa wombi. A lawyers akese etira ma boss Steka Stephen Amwa. CEO of Komfanoche Dr. Oheneba Danso. Out of that 60 we were having 5 executives. Out of our 5 executives, Me na me to so 3. Me a me kasa me to so 3. But yen e ba ye de ba MPP timi wini ye no. Eno ho sa party no ho eku a ye te ye no a ye economically independent literate. Ye kwan ni ye means ye fa so ye de party ni ba power no. You honorable Canadian Japan, you were aware. Basa wunim me. Wunim nkofo bi o mutaye chira ye ma party ni timi ba power. You fighting Washanti region Hammer party ni ba power. You don't know, you know nothing of. But we nim say wunim about that ekuo no because ekuo no ye modern bono and then ade Oheneba Dr. Oheneba Danso enya as a position of Kofanochi CEO. And then ade Stephen Amwa Ayestika Emma as a position of Maslok CEO Sisiano. So se me boa dem ye. Enti say ye mu bi no ye di ye papa na ye Angelo bi ni mochi. Ye de ma na say what na TV so ni wo radio so na wo ni nanya beef na to bi bie no kasa tantan we free wa no ba. E ka se na sore ma ejimifo ne ko na sore a. Then you are referring to the whole MPP party. So obiya ye ejimifo because ye mu binum bebre belong to MPP party. I'm very disappointed in you. Your colleagues ebienia bre I finding means they are fighting. So betting me are retaining their seats. So MPP government betting me are retaining their seats. Our year campaign begging people to vote for the party, fighting, toiling for the party. Look at you now, sitting on your radio, your stupid chair, sitting on it, insulting pastors, fighting with pastors. Whilst your other colleagues are fighting, trying all their means to retain the party in power. My friend, Papa, Honorable, come out and render an apology to all the IGWC members all over the world. I'm telling you, because Kasana Okayano at time. Angelo Binema Babeka, and Toka Bay, a dear dinner or dear yo. Nipa no one in a dinner home, and Quafua they found the picture to oil fake you who say, I will him say when ya a coronavirus a draw. Nipana Babontia Becassa, because my who did dinner term. While Babontia Becassa in one say, and no crack. I did say, I don't quite have to that TV so, Eddie dinner term. Or Angelo Binima Bono, said the old Jew who did, and who said what Bobrano, Angelo Binimus Wabobra. What do respect a man? Wa catch the money na ye gida obi asem mo obi ankasa ya so ya tete kire na ye hwe oni etie bio ba ya nya ejimifo se de o refer no ya wa ahemfofo ya wa ahemfo kukudam o ma ahenefo amwo bebi ani a omote asore dem hobi ya wa lawyers ni a doctors a omwo asore dem hobi ya won kofo bi a wo won abo Canada Japan no wo hia omwo abonte a wo be chia wo mo enye sika nkwa na ya ade o enimo nyam soso ya ade adwene nyansa soso ya ade opon sika wo nyina no ebia ye nu bi soso bi ti wo a wodu sika no beto nche wo be pa ya adwene nyansa edia ye bibi wate enye be bia enye nipa bia na wo se uhu na sa na waka se tia no wo kasa na wo kan na nye na ye be pusi ye papa no sade ye woni die sade wo ti bia no ye pa ya ade sa. And now also the members say, Papa, let me tell you, ni shoe crown na ye barbery. I'm telling you, ni shoe crown ye barbery. So I say, Bibi wo ye papa ni mu, ye Angelo bi ni bibi wo ni mu. Said ye wo na wo so wo ni mu nyame, wo a wo ni mu nyame kwa so wo tu mi. Na de ono wo nyame. Ona wo se hwi ni mu. Fake sam na wo ka no. Listen, ye dan Jesus Christ obeba. Jesus na mu ye ka bi kire no. Enye ye nipa ye ati asefo na ye wo kan be ye wanwa. Na emom se de maka akire wo no wa fefa no afede ye wo kasa na afede ye bebi ade duru no brother be pachawo sanya se ye be pushi ye papa no omie na no because ne doma ye te ne church ni mu no over 150,000 members no all over the world no we are telling you wonim MPP for do do a wom wonim how ayeso ye na masie and the year campaign ma MPP, but we are all stepping down. That there no man go. We will never campaign for Nanado in this election because the way you know, and you're shallow minded thing now. Why you know, election time. Look at what you've been doing to church pastors. Again, how? This time I ain't hear nipa. So to much about the politics. They are politicians so. But you know underground. What you should use the strategy of politics to get your people. But look at what you've been doing. What time MPP party? They are sometimes secretly. We you come bringing MPP down, no? But we do. I'm about phone gin to. Who come home? Who secret meetings? Also, they also so here, no. I also so doing home. No man now we are ninye. No man now we are ninye. What they are there to the pass was saying me. I went to so here akasa. Honorable, brother Pachao. I'm telling you, brother Pachao. Yes, sir. This time around, no, say your papa ni bien no. So bien no say ne ba bia wo do no tie na asem. E gini di bia, hwe na wan to ba. I am at the party of MPP. You will see what will happen here. You better not specify Angelo Binimonye politics. He has never in his life say why your politics is that. But this time around, you better pushing on amana your politics in a different way. On bien anon kanekeke. On announce the keke on the TV to say ne ba bia o penase ne o hen wan to about MPP. And you will see what will happen. You will see what will happen. Adai Adiam Kwana Kennedy. Adiaba den kwa the how. My friend, my engineer.